Happy Sunday, you guys. We are at Walmart, of course. I'm at a particular Walmart that I think you guys can probably know. This is like one of my favorite Walmarts. I haven't been here in like a couple weeks because of Vegas and all that. So Brickseek shows that there's a lot on clearance here. So I'm gonna see what I can find. I know there is this bunk bed that's like $50. And I have like the same one at home, and I spent like $130 on it, and now it's $50. There is a couple exercise equipments, which I did tell you guys to check the fitness and the sports section, because I know a lot of those are being clearance down. And yeah, let's see, and let's go shop together and find out what we can find. Do you guys see why I love Sundays? Sundays and Mondays are the best days to go clearance shopping at Walmart. So nothing's left here. I wonder what it was though, because it was $100 and it was $40, and now it's not there. These tables are a very great deal because I know they go for like $60, I think, and they're $40. Over here, this was $55 and now it is $40. It is a 4-cubed little organization thingy. So here is the SKU or the barcode for that. Over on the other side, there is this over here. Also, same thing. Better Homes and Garden. It was $98 and now it is $60. So here's the SKU for that. And I came at a perfect moment because look how many they have here. So these twin bunk beds, I have the same one at home, but they were normally $130 and now they are only $50. So $50 for a twin bunk bed. Here is the barcode for that. This bookcase, I don't know if I posted this already, but I think I recorded this at a different location, but this one over here is only $19. So it's not bad. I have the same exact one, and I think I spent like $29. So it's like $10 off. Just a little bit off. But here's the barcode for that one. I think you guys should have this barcode though, because like I mentioned, I did post this maybe at a different location, but there's the barcode for that one. This one over here, I know I have shown you guys this one, but it was a little bit more expensive at the store that I showed you guys. This one at this store is actually $40. I'm definitely going to grab it because it's super cute, and I was going to grab it at the other store, but it was still, I think, $50 or $60, and I was like, it's still good, but it wasn't that good. But now over here, it's only $40. So here is the barcode for that one. You want to open up your Walmart app, or even on Brickseek. Brickseek, you can scan barcodes with that, and then you can see what location in your area has it on clearance as well. Over on this side, there's a lot of other more items on clearance. I just haven't like really checked or double checked the prices yet. Well, a lot of empty shelves, so definitely check your stores because it looks like a lot of the furniture is being on clearance. All right, so I found 2 of the items. Well, so far I found almost everything that I've been looking for, and it was so easy to find. Anyway, so this here is the indoor cycle, that brand, and I think it retails to like $300 or like $298, and it's on clearance for $150. So definitely not a bad buy. Here is the barcode for that one. Then we have this one over here, which is also on clearance, which is like a huge treadmill. This one is also like $498 or $500, and it's on clearance for $250. So not bad for this one at all, and the size is kind of decent. If I had a bigger car, I would buy it, but I don't. So here's the barcode for that one. Remember, you guys, do not trust the signs. So we already saw that a lot of the furniture was on clearance, so I am checking every furniture section or every little end cap that has some sort of furniture on it, and they're already lower than what the tag says. So that one over there, it's a very simple TV holder, TV stand, whatever. It was $33 and now it's on clearance for $30. It's not worth it, honestly, because this one right here, it is beautiful for $10 more, and it's on clearance. This over here is the metal bed frame, which you can adjust it from twin to king size, and it's only $35, I believe, or $30. So $30 or $35. I did take the screenshot of it, so I will post the price right here, but it shows on here $59. So this is another great buy. Check your stores. Alrighty, y'all, so that concludes my video. Check your stores, especially the furniture section. I am moving, so I did buy a couple stuff. So I did kind of like, how we say it in Spanish, aprovechar. I took advantage. That's what I was trying to say. I love you guys so much. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click that bell to be notified whenever I do post new videos, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I love you guys. Bye.